what's also really great about the blog, and something that we've added in recent months, is our content library. So, so you're going to notice definitely some posts that are going to be in here right off the top. So for example, this 5 tips to improve winter curb appeal. We have some, kind of winter themed and holiday season safety tips and all that good stuff. But instead of just waiting for these posts to come to your site and push them out, we already have a bunch that are pre-written for you. So if you go to our content library here and go ahead and let's just search by holiday as our keyword. And we're going to see some, great tips for the holiday time. So is your wood burning fireplace ready for winter? Critical winter home staging tips, preparing for a safe holiday feast. So instead of having to brainstorm, kind of winter and holiday themed content and write your own posts, you can just search through our back end and find the posts that have been written for you.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this episode of EAP TV. If you want to see more, click the circular EAP logo to the left to subscribe, or you can watch more videos by clicking on the links to the right.